Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the following codes such as code P0030, P0031, P0032 or code P0053, stay with us. We will explain what causes that most likely, how to fix it and how to test the component that actually does that. All that will be covered today. In addition, we will explain even which computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you guys constantly require that information in the comment section below. So let's start on it now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that will demonstrate how to fix that code on. So we'll go ahead and remove the upper engine cover. Okay, I got it pretty loose, and if you want to see, we have a video that explains how to remove it. Okay, but it's pretty simple guys. Let me just grab it because I dropped it. Okay, what you need to do now, okay, looking at your engine guys, you need to locate where the exhaust and intake manifold is located. This is the intake manifold, on the opposite side is the exhaust manifold. Now, looking at it guys, okay, on that Hyundai Sonata, on the exhaust manifold you have one, actually you have two sensors known as oxygen sensors. They look like that one guys, okay, check it out, this one right here. The purpose of the first sensor is known as an upstream oxygen sensor on that Hyundai Sonata, and it detects how much fuel and how much air you have in the exhaust system, so it can tell all that to the engine computer. The engine computer is going to adjust everything so we have a perfect mixture. Your car is economical and it's not polluting the atmosphere, so that's a win-win situation, right? Now the purpose of the second sensor is usually to detect if the catalytic converter is doing its job. Before we explain guys what causes these codes and which sensor it is, let me explain. This is the computer that we use guys for diagnostics. If you want to see where we got it from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Amazing computer, you can work on almost every car you can think of. Hyundai is right here. The cool thing about it is you can access every computer system in your Hyundai and any car practically guys that is listed there. And this Hyundai has 17 computers. Imagine how many the new ones have, even more. You can read, delete codes and see live data, which makes it super convenient guys. Now, what else? Okay, what causes guys? Okay, that code. Pretty simple. This is guys code related to the upstream oxygen sensor. That oxygen sensor will be located, okay, right there on the exhaust guys. It will be, okay, let me show you. You can see right there on the exhaust you're going to have that sensor, okay, and that sensor will be the one responsible for this code, okay, the one, okay, over there. You can see. So if that sensor, okay, is not working guys, you will get any of these codes. But what else can cause these codes? It could be a few more things, and we're going to explain that as we go. Make sure the wiring connector is plugged in all the way. Make sure you don't have oil leak in the wires. Sometimes it's right next to the valve cover on the other side. It can drip engine oil, okay, and engine oil in the wires can mess with the signal, and that can lead to, okay, getting the codes. Make sure the wire itself didn't touch the exhaust, melt, and that can cause you to have the codes as well. This is probably the most common one we've seen. People replace them, they don't install them the correct way, and what will happen guys? Okay, you're going to get these codes. So if you want to see guys how to test that sensor, or how to replace upstream oxygen sensor, also known as oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 on Hyundai Sonata, we have guys that video on the channel. Check it out. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, but if I forget for some reason, that video is on our channel, how to replace oxygen sensor on Hyundai Sonata, and it will teach you everything guys, and it will teach you, okay, we have a video that explains how to test it as well and know if it's good or bad. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.